one-way ticket to the blues.
Yourself to blame. Don't you know it's time to stop dying, start living again? Way too green when you bought the tree. So tell me, how was I to know? I was talking with a friend and I found out the truth. Don't say I told you so, 'cause I heard the news. I bought a one-way ticket, a one-way ticket to the blue. Well, my mind said quit, but my heart said no. Boy, I am too deep now, you can't let it go. Even when the odds are stacked, still you got to try. Woman, when you told me you loved me, were you telling me a lie? You said I heard the news. I bought a one-way ticket, a one-way ticket to the blue. I met a young woman on the road. Her hair fell in long curls, just like yours did. In those summer days of old, you were carrying your child as we walked through green pastures in the summertime. In the summertime, long ago, they can cure the sick, they can make a blind man see. But for all the troubles in this world, it's hard to find the remedy. The doctors could make a fortune should they find a cure today. If they could invent a pill to make those heartaches go away. Said I heard the news. I bought a one-way ticket, a one-way ticket to the blue. All right, play your guitar, come on.
You're very kind, you're very kind.